So hey guys, this is Miss Baratine and welcome to Tupike Kimeru. Today we'll be making banana pancakes. So you need to have oil, flour, mine is already sieved, make sure it's sieved, milk, eggs, nandizi, banana. And so we'll start by peeling our banana. And then mash it. I use a fork at first to make it easier when I use the mix. And so guys, remember to subscribe, share, like the video. If you've not subscribed, please do so now before you continue watching. So I'll put my mixture in one bowl. Start with the bananas. You can start with either eggs or milk. Actually, I didn't put in sugar because when you use bananas and then you add in sugar, it usually have more sugar, so I don't like it when it has that much sugar. Then add in oil and mix together. So this is a mixture of oil, eggs and the banana. Make sure you're beating the eggs until it's foamy, like the mixture should be foamy. Then add in flour. Now guys, I'm subscribed by the way. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers though. Yeah, still growing. Watch, share. Mix the mixture. Mix the mixture. Haha. I continue mixing. Whoops. What did I just say? Okay, continue mixing the mixture. Add in milk. Milk makes the mixture not to be so hard. I mean, it becomes so soft, and the pancakes usually stays moisturized. Okay. Usually starting with using the fork, and then I use the hand mix to mix the whole mixture. We're almost done. This is really fast actually. It does not take a lot of time to make. I like using the hand mix so that my mix doesn't have a lot of lumps. Okay. It smoothens the paste. Okay. And that's why I really like using it. And actually it's fast. So if the mixture is too thick, add in more liquid, that is milk. And so we won't be using oil. Isi mkorogo ndo unawekwa mafuta. So here we won't be adding any oil. Just put the mixture on a heated cooking pan, okay? And these are mini pancakes. These are mini pancakes, so that's why I'm putting 3 at a time or 4, depending on the size you want to make. You can make depending on the size. You can make the mini ones, you can make the normal ones, so it depends. So when you see the mixture started to dry on the upper side, it means that on the lower side it has already browned. So you should turn it. Don't wait for it to dry, because it's going to burn. Okay, so now here we go. These are cooked, and I use serviette to spread in some little fat, because it's absorbs that it prevents the cooking pan from being too dry. Okay, so there's no oil. It's just that it prevents the pan from drying, because you're not using any oil to cook. Actually shifted to the smaller cooker because this one is very hot, and I'm afraid it's going to burn my pancakes. Yo, go subscribe and share this, please. Actually, it's that simple. They're your pancakes. They're so yummy and spongy. Actually, when you beat the eggs until they are foamy, it makes your paste. It makes your, not the paste, it makes your either cake or pancakes spongy. So you don't have to have them look like what? Muddy inside. No, it's usually very spongy. And the milk helps the pancakes to be moisturized. They don't really go dry. Actually, this one I made a normal one. Yeah, this is a normal one. This is a normal one. So you can see it's not limited this as you want to make. So you can make the mini ones or the normal ones, depending on how you like them, and yeah, on how you want them to be. It's that easy, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And come back here. I'll be baking. I promised you guys I'll be baking. Yes, I'll be baking, but I haven't yet edited the videos, so I'll edit them and share them to you. Yes, so that you can keep watching. And actually here we use the most minimum equipment that we have, okay? Hapa tuna economize, tunatumia what we have. Use what we have to make pancakes. You can see they're spongy and really soft. They really don't dry. They're really soft, and that's because of the milk. And they're spongy because of the eggs. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. You just go and make as much as you can, as little as you want, as large, as small as you want them to be, and make sure don't burn. Don't burn your pancakes. You can say they're really nice and they're really yummy because it's spongy and soft and sweet, and then it has that